Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Cybertom here. Today we're back again with another video tutorial about how we'll install Kali Linux in virtual machine VMware Workstation Pro. So let's get started. Firstly, we have to download virtual machine. For this, we'll go on our Chrome tab and we'll go to VMware download. So we'll go to the official website of virtual machine. You can get this from here. Okay, you can download according to your operating system. It's whether Windows or whether Linux. You can choose the VMware according to your OS. Okay, let's now go for Kali Linux. Okay, we can go to kali.org. Let's go to download Kali Linux. You can get your image for Kali Linux, VMware or VirtualBox itself. So we have here VMware in our machine, so we'll download this Kali Linux VMware 64-bit. You can go from offensive security VM download page. Okay, we have here the size is 2.2 GB. You can download in torrent as well as in your machine itself. Okay, now we have already installed both VMware and Kali Linux in our machine, so let's go where we have downloaded this. Okay, I have downloaded this I have it in my desktop file. Okay, here we have Kali Linux downloaded file. Okay, I have compressed this using 7-zip and I have extracted all the files from this. Okay, here is the file. So let's open this which one we should open. I think this .vms. Okay, we have here Kali Linux 2020.3 VMware in our virtual machine. Okay, now we have to change the configuration a little bit. Okay, let's go to the network adapter option. We have to bridge this and you can give the memory according to your will, and you can give the number of processors and hard disks as well. Okay, let's go with the default setting. Only you have to do is change the network adapter to bridged. Okay, then okay, let's hit OK. Now what we will this is we will power on this virtual machine. Okay, let's wait. Okay, if you don't answer, I copied it. Okay, let's wait for the Kali Linux. Okay, let's hit enter. The booting process is going on. We'll get a username and password interface in a minute or less than a minute. Let's wait for the result. Okay, now okay, now the page loading. This is official batch of Kali Linux. Okay, now we are in this section. Okay, some of you may be confused about the default ID and password of Kali Linux. So the default ID and password is Kali itself, and the password is Kali itself. Okay, let's log in. So now we are logged into our Kali machine. So in this way you can install Kali Linux in VMware. So thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. I'll be posting many more tutorials related to this topic about Kali Linux and cybersecurity field as well. Thank you for joining me.